Welcome back to the VTC course on Wireshark. My name is Jamie Oates and I'm your host during this training. In the previous videos, we began with the OSI model, finishing with layer 6, the presentation layer, in the previous video. The final layer of the OSI model is layer 7, the application layer. The application layer is the point at which the user application interacts with the network. Don't confuse the networking model with the application itself. Application processes such as file transfers or emails are initiated within a user application. The data is then created by that process. This is provided to the application layer by the networking software. Everything that occurs at this level is application specific: file sharing, network monitoring and management, remote procedure calls, and all forms of electronic messaging. Both FTP and Telnet function within the application layer, as does the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol SMTP, the Post Office Protocol POP, and the Internet Message Access Protocol IMAP, all of which are used for sending or receiving emails. Other application layer protocols include HTTP, Network News Transfer Protocol NNTP, and the Simple Network Management Protocol SNMP. We need to be able to distinguish between these protocols and the applications, because there are many different FTP programs made by different software vendors that use the FTP to transfer files. The OSI model is generic and can be used to explain all network protocols. Various protocol suites are often mapped against the OSI model for this specific purpose. A good understanding of the OSI model will help us in network analysis, comparison, and troubleshooting. However, it is very important to remember the OSI model has been changed over the years. It has been improved, hacked, and put back together again. The reason why I mention this is because not all protocols map very well to the OSI model. As an example, the TCP/IP protocol was designed to map to the US Department of Defense or DoD networking model. In the 1970s, the DoD developed its own 4-layer version of the OSI model. The core internet protocols adhere to this specific model and not the 7 layers which we have been discussing. The DoD model is a condensed version of the OSI model. It only has 4 layers, which are the process layer. This defines protocols that implement user-level applications, i.e. email delivery, remote login, and even file transfer. The host-to-host layer, which manages the connection, data flow, and retransmission of lost data over the medium. The internet layer, which delivers data from the sourced host to the destination host across a set of physical networks that connect the two machines. And finally, the network access layer, which manages the delivery of data over a particular hardware media. When comparing the two models, we can immediately see that data compression, encryption, and error control are all missing. This is the final video regarding the OSI model. In the next videos, we will start to view and learn about some of the standard protocols used for network communication.